Tired of Valorant throwing a tantrum because of Secure Boot or TPM 20 errors? Let's fix that. First, let's check if TPM 20 is even enabled. Type System Information in your Windows search bar and open the System Information app. Scroll down. If you see TPM 20 listed, great. If not, or if it says TPM not found, we need to enable it in your BIOS. Restart your computer as it boots up. Repeatedly press the key that takes you to the BIOS setup. This is usually delete, F2, or F12, but it varies depending on your motherboard. Check your motherboard manual if you're unsure. Inside the BIOS, navigate to the Security or Boot section, or something similar. Look for TPM, Intel PTT, or AMD FTPM. Enable the TPM option. Next, find the Secure Boot option. Usually, in the Boot section, ensure Secure Boot is enabled and set to UEFI mode, not Legacy. Save your changes and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart. Once back in Windows, press the Windows key +X and select Device Manager. Expand Security Devices. If Trusted Platform Module 20 is listed without a yellow triangle, you're set. Now, make sure your system is fully updated. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and check for updates. Install everything, including optional updates, as these can include crucial driver updates. Restart your computer one last time, and launch Valorant. The error should be gone. You can now enjoy Valorant without those annoying TPM 20 and Secure Boot errors. Good luck out there.